A day of consolidation is what we've seen in terms of the markets, and little bit of volatility that did exist. However, Sensex and Nifty have ended pretty much flat. If you see Nifty, we anticipated it will maintain those 19,400 levels, but it's ended just a couple of points below that number. And if you see in terms of the Sensex as well, an interesting move on that front, and the Sensex has also ended with cuts, but it's able to maintain that 65,400 mark in trade today. Overall, stocks that contributed to losses on the Sensex, it was mainly the HDFC Twins, Axis Bank, as well as the Bajaj Twins, whereas stocks that came to the rescue were ICICI Bank, ITC, as well as HUL. Overall, if you see, it was the auto FMCG as the PSU banking space that actually saw some smart moves, and you had the FMCG as well as the mid-cap 100 index, which actually hit record high levels in today's session. From the broader markets, you had the mid-cap index, which saw gains of around 0.7%, whereas the small-cap index, which saw gains of around 0.6%. Bajaj Auto, one of the top gainers after Triumph Speed 400 launch. Divi's Laboratories was another one. Hero Moto has continued the run, and you have HDFC Life also saw some smart gains. Maruti, on unveiling of the Invicto, saw some smart moves in today's session. On the losing end, HDFC Twins are seeing profit booking after the kind of run up that we've seen, as well as if you see on the FNO side, a lot of positions that are being squared off. Eicher Motors has been bearing the brunt with regards on the cost of Hero Moto as well as Bajaj Auto, whereas Tata Consumer and UPL were also under pressure. ITC hit an all-time high in today's session from the newsmakers. KPI, on the back of an order win, saw some smart moves. GR Infra Projects, also on the back of the agreement concession pact with NHAI, saw some smart moves. Chennai Petro was and MRPL saw some good moves in today's session. Motherson Sumi, on the back of an acquisition and positive brokerage notes, was up in trade. Suzlon is considering fundraising, though the stock was under pressure. In fact, the stock has moved up almost 60% in the last 1 month. And you have IndusInd Bank and Bandhan Bank that reacted to their quarterly updates overall. So clearly, a day of stock-specific action is what we are seeing. There is consolidation in the markets, but support levels are being met so far. So clearly, volatility is there, but a flat move is what we've seen.